Hi, it's Hanna from Snugamate. Today I'm going to show you how to create this cute lip balm holder for Valentine's. First, follow the instructions on the PDF to create this design. Once the embroidery is done, you'll have this heart with the rectangular shape inside. Now use a pair of small, pointy scissors to cut out the inside of the rectangle. Here I used cutaway stabilizer, so now I have to cut that out too. If I hadn't used tearaway backing, it would have been much easier to just tear away the backing inside the rectangle. I would recommend doing the tearaway, it's a lot easier. Be careful not to cut the layer in the back. Now take the lip balm, remove the paper packaging, but keep the clear transparent piece. Insert it into the felt holder. There you go! This project is very quick to embroider and fun to make. A little cheerful pun to brighten up someone's day. Thanks for watching.